Hello, I'm so happy today and I'm here to talk about my experience. My son recently got engaged last week and it was such a beautiful occasion. My daughter-in-law is so pretty and the whole event went off really nice and I'm so happy. It's a new phase in my life where I'm going to become a mother-in-law. Slightly tensed about it, but I guess it was a good function. And initially I was feeling a little bad because we Indians are used to such lavish weddings and functions, but somehow I couldn't do that for them. So I was feeling a little guilty about it also because that is probably what they expected. But because of this current pandemic going on, it wasn't possible. And then I could invite only a few close friends and family. Now in all this, there was just one thing I was feeling extremely sad about, and that is that my daughter could not join. And because she's in Canada, there are no flights, so she couldn't come for the event. And then the best possible option for us was maybe we could set up a Zoom link, and that's what we did. So my sister joined from Australia, my nephew joined from Australia, and my daughter, in spite of it being the middle of the night, it was 2:30 at her place, and she also stayed up and because she wanted to be a part of this function. So everything started off really well for them, and then I don't know what happened, something happened in the middle of the function and the Zoom link wouldn't work after that. And that is the part that I felt really sad about because my daughter could not be a part of it. And even at that moment when I was looking at the whole function, the thought came to my mind that I wish there was a professional handling this for me. And what a coincidence. Today I was going on the road and I just saw the OTT weddings hoarding, and I was a little curious, so I was at the signal and I read the entire thing on the hoarding and I realized that that's exactly what I'm looking for, where I need a professional who helps me plan a wedding which is for 50 people, but my family does not miss out on that function. And I thought it was a very interesting concept because it will be professionally designed, it will be professionally handled, and I don't have to look into the nitty-gritties of planning that event, and it will still be a very lavish wedding for us. So I think that is what I'm looking for, and I think for me, I looked at that hoarding at absolutely the right moment because very soon, in a couple of months, my son, we are planning to set up a wedding date for them, and I think this has come at a perfect time. I think Patankar Events was the hoarding that said OTT weddings, and I plan to get in touch with them. In fact, I tell all my friends also, especially my friends who are in my age group where their daughters and sons about to get married, I think you people should also think of this. And one more very important thing, and I'm sure the Patankar Events people will help me with that this is going to be a little budget friendly because calling 500 people and spending that amount and calling 50 people, I'm sure there's going to be a difference. So there is a financial gain to this also is what I feel. And let us look at all the options, and I'm sure I'll come back and share the experience with you when I actually do the OTT weddings with Patankar in a couple of months. So wish you all the best for all the functions those are upcoming in your family as well. Thank you very much.